This is a privileged speech. This is a privileged speech. This is not a privileged motion. So my motion is to execute and implement what was agreed upon yesterday. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we take our oath.
Senator,
I make of record the time. It's 4:31 p.m. Mr. President.
Senator De La Rosa.
Yeah, Mr. President, it was very clear yesterday that we agreed that before I take my oath as member of the impeachment court, I should have delivered my privileged speech. That's why I made it a precondition to my approval or to my agreement to the motions yesterday that I'm willing to take oath as a member of the impeachment court, provided let me first deliver my privileged speech. And very clear, it was agreed by the minority leader
No,
yesterday.
Mr. President, no. It was stressed the convening of the court. That was the issue. And the agreement natin, the oath taking is not the convening of the court. It was very clear, Mr. President.
Several members are raising their hands. May I first acknowledge our Majority Floor Leader, Senator Tolentino. Thereafter, our Deputy Minority Floor Leader, Senator Ontiveros. Senator Tolentino may proceed.
With the permission of the gentleman. Mr. President, let me remind the gentleman that yesterday this representation moved to expunge from the records the word agreement, precisely because this representation would want that all matter that arose yesterday should be express stipulations coming from the mandate of the Constitution. Yung agreement po siguro inalis na natin to reflect the solemnness of the proceedings yesterday. So, kung ano po yun na pag-usapan, Mr. President, siguro yung dalawang ginoo na lamang muli ang magkasundo, pero the record should not reflect the word agreement. Iyon po lang yung sinasabi ko, Mr. President. Maraming salamat po.
Mr.
Noted.
President,
Senator,
this is important because it's related. So, what I'm asking
Senator Pimentel, you may proceed.
What I'm asking to be enforced is the motion approved already, Mr. President. So we had approved by the plenary. A motion was approved by the plenary. So yun lang.
Senator Ontiveros is recognized.
I second the motion of the minority leader, Mr. President. The motion to implement the approved motion. Napakahirap naman po magpatupad ng ganyang kasimple. Mr. President, under Section 3 of our Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the presiding officer shall administer the prescribed oath or affirmation to the members of the Senate then present and to the other members as they shall appear, whose duty it shall be to take the same. So yung pagka wala po o yung hindi pa po pagkasumpa ng ibang mga senador, hindi naman po hadlang sa mga present ngayon at manunumpa ngayon para magsimulang tuparin yung tungkulin namin bilang miyembro ng impeachment court. Kung nais po ng good gentleman from Davao mag-deliver ng privileged speech ngayon, maari namang pong ituloy na po yung pagpapatupad ng agreed motion kahapon, manumpa kaming lahat na iba sa inyo bilang presiding officer, and then pakinggan po natin ang privileged speech ng good gentleman from Davao at pagkatapos kung nais niya, ay pwedeng manumpa na ayon dito sa ating rules of impeachment, Mr. President. So sinusugundahan ko po yung motion ng minority leader na gawin na po natin yung approved motion kahapon. Salamat po, Mr. President.
Chair would like to make some remarks before acknowledging Senator De La Rosa. There was a prior motion made by the Majority Floor Leader. There is no motion to second as of yet because we first have to dispose of the first motion made by the Majority Leader with respect to the recognition of Senator Bato. But we note the manifest. We will consider and take note of the remarks of Senator Ontiveros as a manifestation for the meantime. Now, the movant is here. The person who made the motion yesterday. Perhaps When I suspend session, you can discuss it. But for the record, there is no attempt whatsoever, and kindly, I hope people will refrain from making insinuations that there is an intent not to proceed with what was agreed upon yesterday simply because of the time. Because I was here at 4 p.m. and I waited until we had enough numbers for a quorum. And we will proceed as scheduled with respect to that. So whether Senator Bato, as will be discussed when we suspend, will speak first, or we will do what is being suggested by the minority floor leader. In either case, both will be done today. So before I recognize the movant, Chair will suspend the session. So
I understand why the minority leader stood up. Yes, minority at mas konti sila, but they have a role to play. It's not only a very important role today, it's an essential role. It's not only a role in our legislative session, it's a role in holding the second highest person in our government accountable. They have fought for that not just yesterday, but the minority leader, despite running for Congress, have continued, in Tagalog, tinutukan to. And in fact, I have to apologize to him. Medyo mas tama ka na yung forthwith means agad. Pero tinignan ko na yung Filipino version, isusunod agad. In that context, makikiusap ako sa minority leader. We've been here long enough, dun sa atin na 3-4 terms na pag nag-argue kung sinong una, tatagal tayo na 1-2 oras, walang mauuna. So kung gagawin natin yung forthwith today, ibig sabihin isusunod agad. I looked at the rules, no? Sabi po kasi talaga pagka personal privilege, pwede mauna. But ang sabi nga ni minority leader and backed up by the deputy minority leader, we know how important the impeachment court is. So may I ask a further favor indulgence from the minority leader that we allow Senator Bato so that we also do not violate. We're going to violate 1 or 2 things today. Violate the agenda, dahil sa agenda talaga mag-oath taking, or violate our rules, dahil sabi sa rules, anytime pwede kang tumayo sa personal privilege. So may we ask for the indulgence ng minority to allow Senator Bato to deliver his speech because binanggit niya to sa aking kahapon. Kung ako nagkulang, pasensya na po kayo dahil ang pakiusap niya kahapon, bago mag-oath, magsasalita siya.
At ito na nga mga kababayan, no? Medyo nagka-tension po itong mga senador ngayon sa pagitan ni Senator Bato de la Rosa at ni Senator Coco Pimentel, no? Matapos pong harangin mga kababayan itong privilege speech ni Senator Bato ni Senator Coco Pimentel mga kababayan dahil gusto na pong sana nilang or gusto na po ni Senator Coco Pimentel na mag-convene na po at mag-oath taking na sila mga kababayan itong mga senador bilang senator judge dito po sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara at sinabi naman ni Senator Bato na kaya umagri siya or pumabor siya dito mga kababayan, pumayag siya na maging or mag-oath taking sila bilang senator judge kapag makapag privilege speech na po siya mga kababayan, no? Bali una muna siyang magsalita bago yung oath taking nila bilang mga senator judge at nag-second or sumuporta naman mga kababayan itong si Senator Risa Hontiveros, no, na mag-umpisa na or mag-oath taking na agad sila mga kababayan para mag-convene na agad para sa kanilang oath taking bilang senator judges dito po sa impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte at tila sumang-ayon naman mga kababayan dito si Senator Alan Cayetano kay Senator Bato de la Rosa, no, na payagan muna siyang magsalita mga kababayan, no, dito sa kanyang privilege speech bago yung kanilang agenda na oath taking at sabi pa ni Senator Alan Cayetano kung hindi po nila pagbigyan itong si Senator Bato de la Rosa ay kanilang ma-violate ditong rules po nila, no, at ma-violate din naman po na daw nila itong agenda which is yung oath taking mga kababayan. Kaya bilang pagrespeto na lang at with the indulgence of Senator Coco Pimentel ay pagbigyan na lang daw muna si Senator Bato de la Rosa, no, dito sa kanyang privilege speech at yun nga mga kabayan, yung laman ng kanyang speech ay gusto niya or minove niya na ma-dismiss itong impeachment case laban kay VP Sara mga kababayan dito sa Senado at nag-object naman dito si Coco Pimentel, no? Sila Risa Ontiveros, sila Joel Villanueva, marami pong nag-object mga kababayan at sabi naman ni Senator Alan Cayetano ay pwedeng i-amend ni Senator Bato itong kanyang motion na i-dismiss nga itong impeachment case. Pwede naman daw i-remand mga kababayan, meaning ibalik doon sa House of Representatives at i-certified nila mga kababayan itong kanilang articles of impeachment na hindi daw nilabag ng House of Representatives itong proseso ng impeachment complaint nila laban dito kay VP Sara Duterte. So bukas nga mga kababayan ay nakatakdang mag-umpisa na or magbasa or reading ng presentation mga kababayan ng articles of impeachment laban kay VP Sara Duterte, no? At bukas daw ng hapon mga kababayan yata ang pagpunta ng mga House prosecution, no, doon sa Senado para sa kanilang presentation of articles of impeachment at marami pang debate daw mga kababayan ng abangan, no, tungkol dito sa impeachment at maraming nagsabi na hindi pwedeng tumawid dito sa 28th Congress at sabi naman ng iba ay pwede. So abangan natin mga kababayan kung ano pagkaganapan dito po sa impeachment complaint or impeachment trial ni VP Sara Duterte. So ano pong opinion nyo dito? Please comment down below. Maraming salamat. God bless po sa ating lahat.